Hey guys, this is how to integrate Razorpay to Convertkit and Google Sheets. So guys, in order for you to integrate Razorpay and Google Sheets, just simply use Zapier. So guys, first just simply select a trigger. So just simply choose a Razorpay trigger like invoice paid. And after that, just simply set an action to create a spreadsheet row or another relevant action in the Google Sheets. And after that, guys, just simply connect both Razorpay and Google Sheet accounts to a Zapier. And from there, just simply go ahead and test the Zap and activate it to begin the automation. And now, guys, another option is by using coefficient. So just simply go to the coefficient sidebar in the Google Sheets. And after that, just simply click on the import from. And from there, guys, just simply select the Razorpay from the drop down menu. And after that, just simply acquire the API key from the Razorpay and just simply enter the API key in the coefficient setup and authenticate the connection. And after that, just simply select the data you want to import from the Razorpay into your Google Sheets. So now guys, in order for you to connect ConvertKit to Google Sheets with AppyPenny, just simply go ahead and install the AppyPenny add-on for Google Sheets. And after that, just simply find your API key and API secret from the ConvertKit. And from there, just simply choose the relevant ConvertKit API endpoint. Just simply choose an API endpoint. And after that, just simply input your ConvertKit API request in AppyPenfee. And from there, just simply run the API request in Google Sheets so you can import data from the ConvertKit. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. And if you do, just leave a like. And thanks for watching.